What is up mga kaibigan? Welcome to another episode of Ichiboy Mickmoto. Today, I'm going to show you how to change your engine oil in your 450SR or SS. What kind of stuff do we need? Of course, the engine oil. I'm using Shell Advance with a viscosity of 10W40, fully synthetic. You can actually use your owner's manual so you can know what type of oil that you will be needing and how much are you gonna put on your engine. And then of course we need our oil filter. I'm using a Vic C110, a funnel, a huge measuring cup, a drain pan, and oil filter cap remover. You can use this kind of stuff which I've got from an online store, but it is actually hard to use this, so I chose to use this kind of cup. And the size of this one is H901, and a 17mm socket wrench, 10 inches extension, a ratchet, some tissue paper, aluminum foil, and then we have a blower here. This blower and this aluminum foil and the extension are optional. You can definitely change your oil without this three, but the other stuff are mandatory, so you must get all of those in order for you to properly change your engine oil in your motorcycle. So let's begin. Before we start the process, let me tell you the steps that we are going to do. First step, heat up the engine to warm up the oil. Second, remove the drain bolt and drain the oil. The third step is replacing the filter and put back the drain bolt. The fourth step is pour the oil inside the engine, and then the last step is to check the oil level and reset the remaining distance calculator. And that's all the steps, so let's start. First, we're gonna have to put the bike on a vertical level surface. Then start the engine and let it run for about 2 minutes to warm up the oil. After a couple of minutes, then let's wait for 2 to 3 minutes for the oil to settle down on the very bottom of the engine. Once it's settled, let's now put the drain pan, then remove the drain bolt and drain the oil. Okay, so the drain pan is ready, and I'm going to put some aluminum foil underneath this drain bolt so that we'll be able to lessen the oil mess, just like that. And now we will remove this drain bolt using 17mm socket wrench, ratchet, and an extension so that I can avoid hitting some of the area here of this part to avoid getting it scratched. Turn the ratchet to counterclockwise. As you know, we actually need to replace the drain washer in every oil change, but I was not able to find a new one, so I'm just going to flip this over so I can reuse the drain washer. Once it's all drained, we are now ready to remove the oil filter. But before that, I place an aluminum foil underneath to lessen the mess. Then loosen the filter first, and once the oil starts dripping, let it drip before completely remove the oil filter. So while we are waiting for the oil to be drained, we're going to use my blower to blow all the remaining oil inside here. There, I already opened the cap, so I'm going to show you how it's done. Alright, so just put the tip of the blower here and then start blowing. Now we can remove the old filter. Okay, so as you can see, there's still remaining oil inside. I'm gonna throw it here, just like that. And don't forget to remove this one, your oil cap wrench. Oh, it's stuck. Yeah, it's been removed. Once done, wipe the surface with a tissue paper and lube the rubber part of the new oil filter so that the rubber will sit perfectly to avoid any leakage. So let's put this back now. Okay, so first just hand tighten it until you aren't able to turn it with your hand. Now we're going to use the cap to tighten it perfectly. Not too much, just put a little more snug around it using the ratchet. Turn it clockwise to tighten it. Alright, I think that's enough. Then also wipe the drain bolt hole and put back the drain bolt using a 17mm socket. I actually don't have a torque wrench, so I'll just gonna tighten this based on the snug that I feel. Just tighten it very carefully to avoid damaging the thread. Okay, I think that's enough. So what do we have here? We have Shell Advance 10W40. This is fully synthetic 4-stroke motor oil. And we are using API SN JASO MA2. The API SN is the latest type of an engine oil. This is actually a good product if you are on a tight budget but you still want to use one of the best oil in the market. You can actually use Shell. So how do you know how much are we gonna put? So we have our owner's manual here. So as you can see, the oil capacity is 2.6 liters. We actually replaced the oil filter. So we're going to put 2.6 liters of an engine oil. One of this has a 1 liter of engine oil. We're gonna put this too. And we are going to measure and we're gonna take 600 ml only from this one. Alright, that's already 600 ml. Let's now begin to put the engine oil inside the engine. Alright, so as you can see, I have a funnel here that it has a mesh inside. I'm not sure if this is a stainless, but I think this is a stainless mesh filter. It helps to avoid accidentally putting any debris inside the engine. So let's begin. One liter is down. Next liter is coming up. We are now gonna pour the remaining 600 ml. Let it drip down. Alright, so before we put this back, we should clean the cap first. And then wipe down this area to remove all of the mess, oil mess. And now, close it. So we are done pouring the engine oil. And this is the oil level window. So as you can see, there's two lines. One on the bottom and one on the top. And I can see that oil level is underneath the top line. It is perfectly leveled. So now we're gonna reset the remaining distance calculator or service. I'm going to show you how. Okay, so once you open your dashboard, press enter, go to vehicle information, go to service. Once you're there, press the up button and the enter. Just hold it. Okay, so this question will pop up. Are you sure to reset the maintenance? Press the down button to go to yes, up button to no, go to yes, and then press enter. That's it. That's how you set the distance calculator. Alright, so let's start the engine. Okay, so I wasn't able to finish my change oil vlog a couple of days ago due to some urgent matters that I need to attend to, but now we are here outside and I'm going to show you the experience, my experience using the Shell Advance 10W40 fully synthetic for this bike. So we're gonna head out and see if there is any changes with the engine's vibration. So I already ridden the bike after changing the oil. I kind of feel some changes with the engine's vibration, which I'm going to show you. We're just gonna ride around for a couple of blocks. It actually lessens the vibration. The previous oil that I'm using is the Mickmoto 15W50, but that's not fully synthetic, just semi-synthetic, which is one of the best oil as well. But I decided to use the Shell Advance because I usually use that kind of brand mostly on my scooter, which is the Aerox S 2019. Now we're gonna try the speed, if it's worth it. Oh my god, this feels so good. Okay, so if you recently just got your 450SR, I suggest that you must use a semi-synthetic engine oil before switching to a fully synthetic one, because it will help your engine to brake in properly even though you already passed the break-in period, which is the 500 kilometers to 1000 kilometers. Now I'm already at 3945 kilometers, and that's why I decided to move into a fully synthetic one. Let's stop our engine some gas first. V-Power gasoline po. 200 lang.
Plus, sir.
Opo, meron. Okay, so I'm actually here at the Shell gas station. So you can see that they are selling some oil here outside.
Nangis, sir?
Ha?
Nangis?
Kaka-change oil ko lang. But they don't have the 10W40 right now, but you can definitely order it through online store, or if there is an online Shell store in your area, you can definitely do that. But I suggest you must get the oil directly from the gas station because they sell it so cheap. Thank you. I usually go to Petron's gas station to top up my gas tank, but now I started using the Shell Oil Advance in this bike, so I'm switching to Shell gas station as well, so it matches the fuel efficiency and to maintain the power of this engine, because you guys know that Shell is one of the best oil company in the world. They usually sponsors Ducati and Ferrari. I have no doubt using the Shell Advance because Shell is one of the best oil company in the world. Yeah.
guys, I wanted to give you an update that I already reached 900 subscribers in YouTube. Thank you all for your support. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope you like this change oil vlog, change oil episode, and I hope you learned something. And guys, please keep supporting me. I need your help to reach 1,000 subscribers so I can finally do the giveaway. I'm planning to give my supporters some stuff as a thanks for supporting me. I'm gonna give this through raffle mechanics. Again, thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. Just keep subscribing, keep liking my videos, share it as well. And if you have some question, you can definitely leave some question on the comment section. I'm gonna answer that as soon as I can. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Mickmoto out, and see you on the next one. Let's go! Thank you guys for watching. Love you guys. Keep safe, ride safe.